Good morning. I'm coming to you today from Venice, Rookery in Venice, Florida. Just finished taking some photos here this morning. I was using the Fuji XH2 and the Fuji XF 150 to 600 millimeter lens. I was hand holding for all the photos as I typically do. This lens is not very heavy and totally manageable. The photography was pretty good. I hadn't been here probably in 10, maybe even 15 years. I stopped coming many years ago because it didn't seem like it was a great place to photograph birds anymore. Definitely a lot less than what I was used to many years ago. But there was definitely some bird photography opportunities here. Some birds with chicks. Mothers feeding their babies. A couple of flight opportunities also, so the photography wasn't too bad. Please like and subscribe, and I thank you for watching.